hair is very personal. When I'm doing people's hair, they start revealing so much about themselves. They feel more at ease. They unload their burdens in terms of what's going on in the world around them. Being able to put your hand in someone's scalp and release all this information, I suppose it gives you power, but then you're entrusted with this power. I felt incredibly underrepresented during my whole time being here, and I just realised that my work wasn't being seen, or people didn't understand my work, or whenever we had crits, I found it really difficult to explain what was going on because not everyone understood what was going on because they're not from the same culture. So it was very difficult trying to bring your culture, push what you've grown up with to the forefront. I was determined to put myself out there and to have a window space so that people could see me and see what I held dear, which is black hair. There are images of all my family members within the posters that I've recreated. I wanted these women to be seen, I suppose. The wallpaper is of clients' hair that I've done, which I've then silhouetted and reprinted over and over and over again. You can tell that these women are people of colour because of their nose shapes, their forehead shapes, their lip shape. What I'd really like for the outcome of this project is people of colour to see me and be encouraged to participate in the arts. I suppose what I'm doing is trying to be the poster child of change in this institution.